In this video, we're going to be taking this car on a road trip designed entirely by AI.
And if you want to know how we got this car, check out our previous video. We used AI to pick this car for the perfect road trip. I was expecting a lot more robotic.
That's rubbish. Bro, this guy is actually ignoring me.
Nothing major to worry about. There's always stuff you can do to tidy a car up.
Take us on a road trip. Include some Christmas challenges. Also give us a list of things to prepare for this road trip. Merry Christmas. All right, we're going to Warwick.
Sorry, yeah. The road trip I have in mind, but it'll do.
We could be going to Wales,
Scotland,
Cornwall.
yeah.
But no, Warwick. We've got a few stops on the way. We've got to go to
Bourton-on-the-Water?
Bourton-on-the-Water,
Bourton-on-the-Water,
Chipping, Campden,
Camden.
Stratford-upon-Avon, I know that one,
And Warwick.
We've got 5 things to actually prepare for according to AI. Pick up festive clothing, so Santa hat, Christmas jumpers.
I love a good Christmas jumper.
I do love a good
Yeah.
Christmas jumper, and any excuse to buy another one is, I'm all for it. Grab festive snacks.
I'm hungry. I'm hungry, yeah.
Decorate the car, tinsel, fairy light. Nice. That's cool.
I'm
I
happy
like
with
that.
that. I can do it.
Prepare camera gear, so dash cam, GoPro, extra batteries.
I might have something for
I
that.
think we've got something in mind. And pick a Christmas tree bauble. Choose a bauble to represent the trip as a keepsake.
Oh, that's cute.
I think we need to find a place en route to buy all the stuff.
Yeah, well, I think most of it can be bought from a gun centre.
I'm actually excited for this.
Yeah, I know,
Should we
right?
get going?
I've been shopping
Let's
in a
do
while.
it.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Before we go there, thanks to Nextbase for sponsoring this video.
They've given us a 622 GW 4K camera with image stabilization, perfect for this kind of road trip, keeping us protected for the entire journey.
And that kind of ticks off one of the things on our preparation list, so that is perfect. All right, let's get going.
Yeah.
There we go. We need like an ornament.
An ornament, yes. Nothing too heavy though.
What about this? Oh, that's a bit heavy actually.
Bit bulky.
If
Right.
that comes loose, that's
Yeah.
knocking us out. That is a risky item as well. There's too much choice. I think we need Elf on the parcel
I
shelf.
think so.
Come on, man. You could have appreciated that.
What do you mean?
Elf on the parcel shelf.
Ah ha ha ha, ah ha ha. Ho ho, burp, ha ha, farts, hee hee.
He makes the same noise as you do.
Mm. We already got a gonk. Or we go for like a turkey or a T-Rex or a dragon.
How do you know that's a T-Rex and that's a dragon?
Well, that's not even a dragon. Now it's going to Triceratops. Now it's going to T-Rex.
I don't remember T-Rexes having big bubbly
Oh,
eyes at the top.
you're really into it too much, I think.
Sorry. Maybe we just take a gingerbread man.
Yeah, happy with that. We got Lego. I wonder if they have like Millennium Falcon or the Death Star.
I'll take Chewie.
Yeah.
I'll take C-3PO.
Yeah.
Bumblebee and Bumblebee.
I feel like overall, I have to go with that man tumbler. I mean, how awesome would that be? And it's only 230 quid.
Anyone watching this getting some Christmas ideas, much appreciated.
It's a snake in an egg. What is this?
It's a snake and an egg.
The wine is not included.
It is if you grab it together. So Joe has got distracted, is now doing his Christmas shop during the challenge.
I think this suggests.
Very nice.
God, I'm trying to hide this out of frame.
Do we get that? Oh,
I'm gonna go dump this back over there for a minute while we're doing this shoot, and I'll come back again at the end.
hey, Joe's back.
Biscuit.
All right, biscuits. Let's do it. What are we getting, Joe?
Wait, I need a toilet.
Every time.
Assorted biscuits.
All right, there we go. Take that. That's it. Okay, so we've just been to the garden center and picked up everything that was on that list. We're just gonna get cracking, decorate this.
Yeah, I
car,
think so.
wear jumpers right now.
Yeah.
And just like that, we are now dressed up for Christmas in our awesome jumpers.
Can I just say these are so warm and cozy.
These are really warm and cozy. It's
So nice.
Yeah, this is awesome. We've obviously got our decorations in the car as well. As you can see, we've got the tinsel, the elf on the parcel shelf,
Classic.
and we've got our bauble hanging over there. And some nice fairy lights. Yeah, no, gingerbread man.
He's just chilling.
How are we gonna decide who goes first?
I think rock, paper, scissors. It's a classic game, isn't it?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. No, okay, fine, you're going ahead. All right, let's do it. All right, Joe, first stop, we're going to Bourton-on-the-Water. Have you ever been there before?
I've never been. Oh.
I just didn't expect AI to take us to Bourton-on-the-Water. I've never even heard of it.
No, neither.
First challenge that we got to do here is take a selfie at the bridge that's apparently lit up. I don't know how AI knows that,
Okay.
but we'll find out if that's true or not. So we made it. Bourton-on-the-Water, and we've got a few bridges over here. It's not decorated though.
No, not the bridge, but there is a big Christmas tree in the background with lights.
But all we've got to do here is take a selfie, so we're going to do that now. There's a lot of people looking at us strangely. I don't know why, because it's not like we're, you know,
We don't stand out at all.
don't stand out, but no. You ready? We should maybe like just have a look around, because I've never been here before.
No, neither.
So we've just found a motoring museum here, which again, we'd have never known. So
Apparently it's the home of Brum. So that was Bourton-on-the-Water, a town that quite frankly is quite breathtaking. I mean,
Yeah,
I
this
was not expecting this at all. And now we're going to be on to Stow-on-the-Wall.
Stow-on-the-Wold. It should be nice because I mean, so far, so good. AI, you've done really well because, you know, this is a great place. All right, let's not delay. Let's just crack on and go to the next.
Next location, yeah.
We're experiencing some difficulties with this car right now. I don't know if this car's gone into limp mode right now because it's not as responsive as it was before. And there's a little bit of a shake when we're like idling, which is concerning.
Yeah.
Considering the check engine light is on. Are we gonna make this hill? It just doesn't feel good. This is not good. Oh man. Oh boy. That's running pretty hot. Ah, something had to go wrong. Okay.
It's dry.
No.
Come on, I mean, look at the paper.
Yeah, suspicious. Have they put the wrong engine oil? Is that what's going wrong here? Honestly, like my best guess right now. All right, but since we've made it here, we're gonna go and do the challenge, which is to go to an antique store and find a Christmas ornament.
Yeah, basically, that's it.
And hopefully by the time we come back, this car would have sorted itself out.
Because they just do that.
Yeah.
They do that.
That still needs to be replaced. All right, so we found an antique store right here.
But it turns out it doesn't sell antiques. The shop itself is an antique. So, ooh, that's cool actually.
That is very cool.
You get like a digger.
Oh, for the tree? Oh.
I think I meant. Put it down. Put it down.
Found something we can use. There you go.
Pound bubbles? So you can put. Oh, wicked.
What'd you put in there?
No, chocolate, sweets.
True. All right, I think that is a challenge done. Oh, I think I'm gonna go with this one
I'm indecisive on these two.
because that one's got a car on it.
So does this. Okay, so you're getting that one. I'll get this one.
All right, let's do it.
Perfect.
So next stop is
Chipping Campden.
Campden. We're hopefully going to try and drive there now with this car. It's obviously given us some issues, and if there is a garage, we must make a stop. So we'll definitely try and find a garage and see if we can figure out what's going wrong with this car. Somehow the
Cars come back to life.
The car has come back to life, so maybe parking it for a little bit has actually helped us because the car is back
It doesn't really. Yeah,
and it's not shaking.
it's got power again. Yeah, I know. I'm excited. I feel good. Do we still want to take it to someone to have a look at, or?
Look, ultimately, you know, we've got to do this challenge. I really want to do it. You really want to do it. We want to succeed at this, right? So we're just going to keep on going until the very end and see how far we can get. And if we really need to stop to go to the mechanics, then we'll need to do that. We're 12 minutes away from Chipping Campden. Campden, that's the one.
Yep. And basically, it's going to be location number 3 and challenge number 3, which.
So what's the challenge here? What are we doing?
Per AI, we've got to get ourselves something festive to eat.
I mean, yeah, sounds about right. I'm a bit hungry.
Yeah, I'm peckish too, and I don't know what is considered festive. In this time of year, almost something warm. A pastry, really?
A pastry.
That would be kind of, so hopefully we can find like a bakery or something.
Yeah.
And essentially, yeah, just get something warm and cozy to eat for stop number 3 and challenge number 3.
Nice.
Find something good. So let's do
We're
it.
nearly there.
Yeah.
Is that a spider coming down?
I know. It is.
Am I about to be Spider-Man?
No, I know we're about to get food.
Yeah. We're about to get food.
But I think at this point in the journey, it's about time we bring out a little something.
Oh my goodness.
So those, to me, that looks like
That looks
shortbread.
great. That looks great.
That's like shortbread biscuits. Cheers.
There we go.
It's a road trip.
One thing that we haven't mentioned quite yet though, one of the challenges was actually to buy each other a gift.
Okay.
And there's a budget of £10. So I reckon this place is probably a perfect place to do that because there's quite a few shops. So we're gonna go explore, see what this place has to offer. Let's get this challenge done as well. Do you wanna go in here?
Don't mind.
Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, go. Okay, so what does that mean?
Oh, yeah, this one.
All right, we couldn't help it. We've already started eating, but these are good sausage rolls, man.
Genuinely, I think it's the best sausage roll I've ever had in my life.
This is kind of technically a challenge. We were given
Challenging
three.
about this, so.
Yeah, it's not challenging, is it? We were given 3 challenges, all of the locations, but we had to narrow it down to 1. So this was kind of like a side quest, if you want to call it that. We've actually bought our gifts as well, which is all done, but we're gonna reveal that later on at the end. Next stop is Stratford.
Yeah, on something.
Upon Avon. I'm so bad at this, jeez, man. Let's just get going. It's starting to get a little bit dark, but the good thing about this is that you can now see the fairy lights.
Yeah.
And I'm sure everyone else can see that.
Yeah, they probably think we're absolutely nuts.
So Joe, how are you finding being a BMW driver now?
Oh, I swore I never would. I mean, I like the cars, don't get me wrong, but try my best to use my indicators, and I'm doing my best to not, ride up someone's backside when driving along. It's difficult because part of me just wants to go as fast as I possibly can. I would like to kind of break the stereotype.
You'd want to break the stereotype, I see.
I'd like to try and keep my current driving etiquette, if you will.
I reckon that's better than
I don't know, to be honest. I would have to ask your friends and family.
So far, you've made me feel really safe.
Well, that's
in
good.
the car.
That's
So,
what I want.
That's all that matters.
So would AI give us the 15 minutes between Stratford and Warwick? That 15 minutes, would it be based off A, the average traffic data between point A and point B? B, would it take into account the fact that it's at a certain point of day based on when we ask the question? And on each stop, would it take into account how long we'd roughly be there based on the times it provides us?
What was A? Joe, I think you're thinking on a very high level right now. That's beyond my understanding of AI.
I was asking the questions that needs to be asked.
This is probably a bit too late. I was meant to do this in the morning. I actually got a gift. It's a little Joe.
Oh, little Joe!
I thought, makes sense. We got Joe, and then we got little Joe. Anne Hathaway was William Shakespeare's wife. Anne Hathaway was William Shakespeare's wife. That's a fact. It's a fun fact, actually.
Anne Hathaway, I'm pretty sure, is the movie star.
No, you're thinking of the wrong Anne Hathaway.
There's multiple Anne Hathaways?
There's more than one.
That's crazy.
William Shakespeare didn't actually know how to spell.
So how did he do any of what he did?
Well,
How did he write?
he wasn't really spelling correctly. See, back in the day, they didn't really teach you how to spell. He would just write his name like William Shakespeare. It's a proven fact. If you think I'm lying, you can look it up.
No, I want to take your word for it and hope that you are correct.
Yeah, I hope I'm correct too. All right, so we're here in Stratford, and what's the challenge, Joe?
We're going to visit the great William Shakespeare's birthplace.
Yep, and the challenge for us is to take a photo or a selfie in his birthplace. So we're gonna go and try and find where that is. All right, we're here in Stratford.
I think we're pretty close to the birthplace of William Shakespeare. In fact, just down there. So let's go see it.
I was expecting a hospital. I mean, was he born right here? Is that what it was, that spot? Yes, I think so.
What angle? We've got to go well in it.
We've got a final stop to do. It's in Warwick.
Warwick, the big W.
The big W. It's been something we've been driving towards for this whole day. Look, I'm pretty hungry now.
Yeah, me too. Yeah.
And that last challenge, it includes a dinner. So
Just, yeah.
should we make our way to Warwick?
I think we need to. I think that's it. I will.
And what was that?
No, but some lights now appearing up on our dashboard.
Oh, right. That's the ABS sensor. Great.
Okay, fine.
Nice, perfect. So that's now we've got 3 lights on our screen.
We're coming to an end now. What can we say about this car? Because at the end of the day, that's where this all started with the last video. But now we've actually had the opportunity to drive it about. What do you think of the car?
To be honest with you, completely honest, right? With a £2,000 budget, can you buy a better car? Yes. But can you buy a car that's better than this, that will give you just as much fun? I don't think so. This kept us at the edge of our seats, man. Literally.
I think you're exactly on the mark. Definitely can get a better car for that amount of money, but to have that kind of entertainment value that we've gotten out of the car, I just don't think you're going to get it. This is fun, it's snappy, it's got a bit of a kick to it, it's comfy, it's warm, it's a car that speaks to you almost.
Well, we nearly had a scare when the car went into limp mode, but fortunately, it got itself out of it. We're back to normal now. We're back
hopefully,
doing things. We're 16 minutes away from Warwick. So, to be honest, as long as we get there, we're okay. How we get home is another story.
I think we can wholeheartedly say, we'll know for sure when we get to Warwick that this car did it.
Yeah, exactly. But anyway, next stop, Warwick. Let's go.
This is technically the second sausage in a roll we've had today, but I'm all for it.
Here we are, Warwick Castle, Winter Wonderland. Fair play to ChatGPT, because it's taken us through some really cool routes today.
It has. A lot of places I don't think I would have ever gone on my own.
Would I recommend using ChatGPT to plan a road trip?
I would say so.
100%. I think I might have to do this again.
Thrown back by all of this coming out of just a website. You just type in some words to it and we're here. Like, never would have expected it, but.
And I guess this is where we wrap it up.
I felt like we need to give each other something.
yeah,
I mean, how could you forget?
This is for you, sir.
That's for you, sir.
What could this possibly be?
I'm under the exact same.
Oh, look at that.
Wow.
That's a tree topper.
I can see.
Yeah. But I couldn't work it out.
No, well, you just thought it was a Rudolph of sorts and gave it to me, but it's awesome.
And this is very fitting because I have a cat. So challenge done. I mean, thanks for watching. If you made it this far, then thank you. Make sure you drop a like if you enjoyed this video, and
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.
Oh, bye, yeah.